Hello friends, today we will discuss about the topic graphical representation of pair of linear equations in two variables. In this topic, we will learn how the equations can be plotted on the graph, as well as we will discuss the three major possibilities that the equations would appear on the graph. The first possibility is that the lines are intersecting. That means they would only meet at one point. The second possibility is that the lines are parallel. That is, the lines would never meet. And the third possibility would be the lines are coincident. That means there are infinite points which are common on both these lines. Now we know that the lines can be represented on the planes. Let us actually plot one. Let us consider an equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. The first step we need to follow to draw this line on the graph is to find at least 2 points on this line. To find 2 points on this line, for the first point we have to consider x as 0 and find the value of y. That means we could get the point x comma y. The equation after substituting x as 0 would be 2 into 0 plus 3 into y is equal to 12. That would be equal to 3y is equal to 12. Y would be equal to 12 upon 3, where 3 into 1 that is equal to 3 and 3 fours are that is 12, and y would be equal to 4. Similarly, let us consider y as 0 and find the value of x. When we consider y as 0, the equation would be 2 into x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 12. So the equation would be 2x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 upon 2. We know that 2 into 1 that is 2 and 2 into 6 that is 12. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Now we have found out 2 points on the line. The first point is 0, 4, and the second point is 6, 0. Now we have understood how to find points on the lines. Now let us take a graph and plot the points. As we have our first point as 0, 4, where x is 0 and y is equal to 4, this means the point would lie on the positive y-axis. Similarly, we have the second point 6, 0, where x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. This point would lie on the positive x-axis. When we join this point, we get the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Let us understand what are intersecting lines. For this, let us consider two equations. The first equation is x plus 3y is equal to 6, and the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. To plot these lines on the graph, we need to have at least 2 points on each of the lines. As we have earlier studied how to find points on the lines, let us find 2 points on each of the lines and then we will plot these points on the graph. For the first line, we have found out 2 points on the line. The first point is 0, 2 and the second point is 6, 0. Similarly, for the second line 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, we have found out 2 points. The first point is 0, minus 4 and the second point is 6, 0. Now, as we have got 4 points on 2 lines, that means 2 points on each of the lines, let us plot these points and draw the lines. Let us consider a graph. For the first 2 points, we will get the first line. Let us plot the first point. The first point is 0, 2. As we can see that the x coordinate for 0, 2 point is 0. That means the point would lie on the positive y-axis. Similarly, for the second point 6, 0, we have y coordinate as 0. That means the point would lie on the positive x-axis. Let us join these 2 points and draw the line. We have our third point as 0, minus 4. Here also we have the x coordinate as 0. That means the line would lie on the y-axis. As we have y coordinate as minus 4, the line would lie on the negative y-axis. And the fourth point we have is 6, 0. As we have earlier discussed, the point 6, 0 will lie on positive x-axis. When we join these 2 points, we would get the another line. As you can clearly see on the graph, that these 2 lines are meeting on the point 6, 0. That means they are intersecting at the point 6, 0. We can say that the point 6, 0 is the solution for both the equations. Here, in case of intersecting lines, we would have only one point where the lines would meet. That means we would only have one solution for the given equations. Let us understand what are parallel lines. For this, let us consider two edges of the roads are represented with equation x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. To represent these equations on the graph, we need to find at least 2 points on each of the equation. As we have earlier studied how to find 2 points on the equation, let us find 2 points on the first equation. We have first equation as x plus 2y is equal to 4. The 2 points which would lie on this line are 0, 2 and 4, 0. Similarly, for the second line 2x plus 4y is equal to 12, we have 2 points which would lie on the line. The first point is 0, 3 and the second point is 6, 0. Now we have 4 points and we have to plot 2 lines on the graph. Now let us take graph and plot these 4 points on the graph and draw the lines. We have our first point as 0, 2. Here we know that the x coordinate is 0 for the point 0, 2. That means the point would lie on the y-axis. Similarly, for the point 4, 0, we have y coordinate as 0. That means the point would lie on the positive x-axis. Now let us join both the points and we would get our first line, that is x plus 2y is equal to 4. Similarly, let us plot other 2 points and draw the line. We have our third point as 0, 3. Here also we can see that we have x coordinate as 0. That means this point will also lie on y-axis. And the point 6, 0, we can see that we have y coordinate as 0. That means the point will lie on the x-axis. Let us join both the points and get the line. We can clearly observe on the graph that these 2 lines would never intersect. That means they are parallel. If these 2 lines never intersect, they would not have any point in common. That means they would not have any solutions. Here we can say that the given pair of equations do not have any solutions. Now we will understand what are coincident lines. For this, we have considered 2 equations. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. The second equation is 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. To plot both the equations on the graph, we need to have at least 2 points on each of the equation. Let us find 2 points on the first line. For the first line 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, we have got 2 points as 0, 4 and 6, 0. And for the second equation, that is 4x plus 6y is equal to 24, we have got 2 points as 0, 4 and 6, 0. But as you can see that from these 4 points, we have 2 points as common. We have for the first line 0, 4 and 6, 0 and for the second line also 0, 4 and 6, 0. That means these points are same. Now let us plot these points on the graph and see how these lines look like. Let us plot first point, that is 0, 4. We can see that in the point 0, 4, the x coordinate is 0. That means this point would lie on the y-axis. Similarly, for the point 6, 0, we can see that the y coordinate is 0. That means this point lie on the positive x-axis. Let us join the points 0, 4 and 6, 0 and draw the line. Now let us plot other 2 points, that is 0, 4 and 6, 0. But we know that these points are similar to the points on the first line. That means we have these points already plotted. Let us draw one more line from these points. Here we can clearly observe that these lines are coinciding. They are lying on each other. That means they have infinite number of points which are common for both the lines. So we can clearly say that we have infinitely many solutions for the given equations.